All the Chinese nationals were ordered released by the court, no, based on the writ of habeas corpus. On the other hand, the Bureau of Immigration also issued an order releasing all of them. So aside from the court, the Immigration Office also issued an order to release those Chinese nationals.
Ano yung mga sir, reasons?
Sir, so wala na.
We don't know what's the reason. Yung sa court naman, wala daw kaming basis na mag-detain sa kanila. And yung sa BI naman, I do not know the reasons. Basta release order lang ang issue.
So no cases filed?
So walang cases?
Nag-file kami ng case in Panabo for syndicated stapa and in relation to cybercrime. But dinismiss them kasi wala daw legal basis. Ang sa amin lang, pinail namin para meron kaming holding sa kanila. In the meantime, we will hold them while nasa amin, makapag-imbestiga pa kami ng matagal.
So yung mga na-confiscate, sir, nabalik sa kanila lahat?
Wala pa dito sa amin.
So walang liability ang mga local barangay officials doon, sir? Ba't
Continue yung investigation namin with regards to the mga local officials. Hindi pa siya tapos.
Pero ang identity sa mga Chinese nationals, valid yun ang ilang documents?
Yung iba walang mga documents, but meron kaming mga totoong pangalan na nakuha based on our investigation.
Sa request niyo, sir, na i-open yung mga PC, ano na po ang
merong cyber warrant na in-issue yung court, ma'am. Wala pa kaming specific na result ng anong tawag nito? Yung cyber crime examination. Wala pa sa amin.
Kailan na na-dismiss, attorney?
Last December, they were released by the court and the immigration.
So, sir, well, the investigation...
So, wala na sila, sir? Yung gawas na sila?
Wala na. Wala na. Last December. I think last December.
Itong walay valid documents. Ano? Libre na?
I do not know. The immigration, I think, can answer that question.
Balik sila sa China.
But it would be a separate issue, no?
Yeah, that will be a separate issue. We can ask the
Dapat
immigration.
So, meantime na, katulang sa cyber, katong ginahulat ninyo for the,
Yeah. So that we can file a proper case for that matter.
Pero if you file, sir, wala naman ang kuan, sir.
Respondents?
Wala naman sila.
We are eyeing on the other persons involved now, aside from the Chinese nationals.
So, may technicality, sir, na gisay? Like, sa filing? May mga...
No, ang order ng court about the writ of habeas corpus is ang detention namin is that basis.
Pero dismiss man din kayo ang kaso?
Yeah, dismiss ang kaso during that time kasi when we conducted the raid of the in Panabo, the establishment, kaagad namin inuli without any evidence or documents during that time. Ang sa amin lang, para ma-hold namin, and we still have a lot of time to investigate.
Pero yung owner nung sa Panabo, kasama sila sa filing?
Sinabpina namin, and that establishment pala ay nirentahan ng isang Chinese national.